Okay, so let's have a little look what's included with the SKALA time-saving templates pack. There are templates for both Layout and SketchUp. If we start with the SketchUp templates, there's also folders for each of the stages of a project: pre-design, schematic design, design development, and construction documentation. And within each of those folders are each of the SketchUp models that you'll typically need to make. And these are all pre-formatted with styles and scenes, etc. already created. I've also included all of the styles that you'll need to use to create your drawings. If we quickly look at the layout templates, again, you've got pre-design, schematic design, design development, and construction documentation. And in here are each of the bundles of drawings that you typically need to produce. So what do we do with these templates? So here we are, I've just got the design development SketchUp template open, and let's have a look at what you get. So obviously there are some section planes already set up, various floor levels, roof plans, and building sections. You've also got all of the styles already set up in here. You'll also notice that all of the tags that you'll need to create your project and to organize it effectively are already created in here. Across the top, we've also got each of the scenes that we'll need to create. And each of these scenes, you'll notice, has different visibility settings for tags, etc. like that. And also all of the camera angles are predetermined for you. So all we need to do now is either start modeling our project straight in here in the working model, or alternatively, if you've already got a SketchUp model, then you can go to File, Import, and let's select this example project here, and that will come in on the origin. And what you'll notice now is that each of these scenes is now populated with this design. And we're ready to go into layout. It's as simple as that. So see you over there, and we'll look at how the layout templates work. Okay, so here we are in layout, and again, I've just got the design development drawings template open. So let's have a look around and see what it includes. So again, all of the pages and drawings that you'll need to create are already set up, and each of these gray boxes contains a viewport which is linked back to the SketchUp model. So these will auto populate when we bring our SketchUp model in a moment. You'll also notice that there are layers in here that you'll need to use. Before we import the model, there's something else that I want to show you. If we go to File, Document Setup, so if you look at auto text, each of these is a form of metadata that Layout uses, and these are all pre-customized and inserted into this title block. So whenever you change any of these values, so client name or project number or something like that, which is specific to a certain project, the title blocks will auto-populate and every single one will follow suit. Okay, so the last thing to look at in here is references. So this is the SketchUp models which are linked back to this layout file. And currently these are just links to the blank templates. And all we need to do for every project you work on is simply select this reference and then relink and connect it to that specific project file. So if we have a look here at the building model, you'll see that the viewport is automatically highlighted. If we go to relink, and then we can just select our example project and click open. So now if we close this, you'll see that each of the drawings has now been automatically populated. Obviously, you should expect to have to tweak these a little depending on different project types, but the vast majority of the work is already done for you. With just a few clicks using these templates, we've gone from a SketchUp model to a full set of drawings. This should have massive speed implications for your workflow, but also guarantees consistency across all of your output. These templates have been tried and tested using real-life projects over a number of years, and they represent literally hundreds of hours of SketchUp time. I cannot overstate the importance of starting with the right framework in place, and these templates will supercharge your workflow, and they truly convert SketchUp into a viable BIM product. Indeed, I'm so confident in the value that these templates represent that I'd be more than happy to refund the purchase price if you don't see huge results and time saving in just 30 days. So what are you waiting for? click the Buy Now button and get started.